Jeric Dagot, back to Justin. Justin Magbanwa, sasayaw, sasalaksak by Justin. Good for 2 points by Justin. Mark Sinesa, kick out. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Bibigay kay JB Payuan. Papasewin yung MVP ng Palawan, JB Payuan. Number 10, ang angas ng Tondo. JB, zigzagging move, not good for JB Payuan. Pidiscalso with 8 minutes and 15. Number 7, Jeric Dagot, floater, huli ng Mark Sinesa. JP sending for Frank De La Cruz, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point, sending for Jack Policarpio. Ayaw pa rin tanggapin yung floater ng Jack Policarpio with your team of Japo Sublimation. Jeric Dagot while open for 3, not good. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Bibigay kay JB, stolen by Jeric Dagot, sisimplihan at sisiguraduhin na. Good for 2 points, Jeric Dagot, the MVP of Palawan. 8 minutes and 15, JB Payuan. Good. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, mga kabasketball. Magandang gabi, bayan ng Quezon. This is the game ng ating Game 1 of Best of 3 Series para sa ating championship game, and matches to be played for team of Japo Sublimation Coistonoy BCB laban sa team ng Axors Matis. This 11 Mayors Cup Basketball Tournament 2024 dito sa bayan ng Quezon. This game is sanctioned by FIBA rules and will be implemented by Samaang Basketball ng Pilipinas Palawan Chapter. Our head referee, Crew Chief, the Regional Technical Head of SBP Mimaropa Region 4B, Sir Jack Altarrios. Umpire number 1, Sir J.R. Cadilena. Umpire number 2, Sir Joey Menda. And our fourth man officiating official, Sir Ronnie Di Guzman. And her the starters for team of Axors Matis, number 20, import Kenneth Tiner. Center, the former PBA, number 26, Jan Ambuloto. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Number 7, Jeric Dagot. And number 23, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. And here the starters with your team of Japo Sublimation, Kois Nonoy, BCB Sportswear. Number 14, Jack Policarpio. Number 73, EJ Rodriguez. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Number 45, Mark Sinesa, and number 10, JB Payuan for your team of Japo Sublimation, Kois Nonoy BCB. All set, mga kaibigan, ng ating Game 1 Championship Game 11 Mayors Cup Basketball Tournament 2024. The ball is up, time is on, let's get it on, let's play some basketball. We have only 9 minutes and 30 seconds. JB Payuan, a jumper, not good for JB. Number 45, Sinesa, good for 2 points, Sinesa. Sa kanyang pangalawang pagpa-jack, hindi pa rin bumasket for Papa Jack Policarpio. JB Payuan, the crowd favorite. Number 10, JB iniwas, point. Good for 2 points by JB. John Ambuloto, not good for John Ambuloto for team of Axors. JB sending for Jack, EJ Rodriguez. John Ambuloto, put back, good for 2 points, John Ambuloto. Jack Policarpio is stolen. Frank De La Cruz sending for EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend, number 73, Jack Policarpio. Gandang bakbakan agad for this opening game. JB, nakuha nitong EJ. Stolen for your team of Axors, Jeric Dagot. Good for 2 points by Dagot. Toto Suelo sending for El Banana, back to Suelo. Ikutan ng bola, John Ambuloto, iikot itong import. Sa kanyang muling pag-ikot, 2 puntos yung muling napulot nitong 5 minutes and 45. JB, not good for Payuan. Frank De La Cruz, number 52, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. 30 seconds remaining time, 13 seconds on the shot clock. Jeric Dagot, what a move. Bitin lang yung floater ng Jeric Dagot. John Ambuloto, iikot. Good for 2 points, Ambuloto. Dagot ang MVP ng Palawan. JB Payuan is stolen by number 23, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa, sending for number 7, Jeric Dagot. Good for 2 points by Dagot. Mark Sinesa, kick out, Jack Policarpio, number 14. Bibigay kay JB Payuan. Papasewin yung MVP ng Palawan, JB Payuan. Play by JB Payuan, number 10. El Banana Eric Magbanwa for 3 points. Inning quarter ng ating half number 1. This is a game 1 best of 3 series ng ating championship game. JB Descalso for 3 points. Tiradang walang palso para kay JB Descalso. Not good. Number 52 ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Sending for JB Payuan. A layup. It's good for 2 points at may kauban pang foul. Basketball carry. Number 10, JB Payuan. Bonus throw against number 10 para sa grupo ng Jumbo Sublimation. Connecting 3 points by JB. 2 puntos yung nadampot itong import. JB Descalso ang gagambang gising ng Puerto. Stolen by Dagot. Number 7 ang MVP ng Palawan, Jeric Dagot. Sa grupo ng team ng Angsters, 1 minute and 5. EJ Rodriguez, the son of legend. JP Descalso, tuwid na tuwid. Walang nagalaw doon. Yung tiradang JP Descalso for 3 points. Tatak 45. Number 26 dyan ang Buloto. Sending for Kenneth Tiner while open for 3. Short by Kenneth. But put back number 1 by Justin. Just in. Good for 2 points by Justin Magbanwa. The 29-33 outside jumper. Bibot Palingting. Run out yung abante ng Jumbo Sublimation. Number 26 dyan ang Buloto. Stolen. Pass break. Jack Policarpio. Spin move. Bang! Good for 2 points, Jack Policarpio. Your team of red shirt, JB the crowd favorite, sending for Jack. Not good for Jack Policarpio. Kuha nitong Bibot Talingting. Sending for Jeric Dagot, the MVP of Palawan, Jeric Dagot. JB Payuan, number 10, ang angas ng Tondo, Manila, while open for 3. Boom! Pumulsay! JB Payuan for 3 points. 34-42, the crowd favorite JB Payuan, but Bibot Talingting, not good for Bibot, but try to put it back nitong John Ambuloto. Good for 2 points by John Ambuloto. Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Balik kay JB. We have only 8 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock down to 5. JB, number 10. Aliop. Jack Policarpio. What a good combination play by JB at Jack Policarpio. 4 minutes and 58. Number 52, Frank De La Cruz ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Bounce pass, Mark Sinesa, ang hari ng panalay. Grabe yung galaw ng Mark Sinesa, mga... El Banana Eric Magbanwa, number 23, sending for Justin. Yung magpinsa na Magbanwa, nagpasok na sa ating ball game. But Kenneth Tiner, bibira ng 3. Good for 3 points by Kenneth Tiner. Isa sa harassing by JB Payuan. Justin, quick cross. Justin, gagamit ng katawan. Fade away shot by Justin. Not good. Put back by Kenneth Tiner. Good for 2 points by Kenneth Tiner. And itong kidlad, sending for Mark Sinesa. Nice pass kara kay Frank De La Cruz. Put back by Nino Calilong. Wala pa rin. Last 45 seconds remaining time. Number 7. El Banana Eric Magbanwa, sending for Jeric Dagot, number 7. Floater by Jeric. The MVP for the lead. Good for 2 points. Jeric Dagot. Seconds remaining time. Frank De La Cruz, number 52, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Tuwid na tuwid yung work from the 3-point lane. Pass break, Jeric Dagot. Justin! Not good for Justin. Put back by Hazel Gary. Recover, Justin Magbanwa, number 1. Kick out, stolen by JP Descalso. Recover, Jeric Dagot. Kick out, El Banana Eric Magbanwa. Boom! 3 points. 7 minutes and 17 seconds. John Ambuloto, kapapasok pa lang sa ating ball game. Not good for John Ambuloto. Pass break, number 52, Frank De La Cruz. Not good for Frank. JP, good for 2 points. Descalso. For Jeric Dagot, back to Justin. Justin Magbanwa, sasayaw. Sasalaksak by Justin. Good for 2 points by Justin. We have only 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining time. 56-65, JP Descalso, number 13, sending for Frank De La Cruz, creating some space. Good for 2 points, Frank De La Cruz. Policarpio, number 14, Jack Policarpio, harassing by Bibot. Jack Policarpio, up jumper, not good for Jack Policarpio. But Kenneth Tiner na iwang bukas from the 3-point territory. Kenneth Tiner, 3 points. Number 7, Jeric Dagot ang MVP ng Palawan na iwang bukas by Jeric Dagot. Nakalingat yung mga defender and JB. Papasawin yung defender. Sending for EJ, Frank De La Cruz. Not good putback. Good for 2 points. Jack Policarpio. Time, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Justin Magbanwa, quick cross by Justin. Floater, short by Justin. Frank De La Cruz, number 52, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Good for 2 points sa Frank De La Cruz. Number 10, ang angas ng Tondo. JB, zigzagging move. Not good for JB Erpayuan. And call for a jump ball, but just gonna be called for officiating officials. 8 minutes and 58 seconds remaining time. 8 minutes and 58 seconds. Descalso with 8 minutes and 50. Number 7, Jeric Dagot, floater, huli ng Mark Sinesa. JP sending for Frank De La Cruz, ang kidlat ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Sending for Jack Policarpio, ayaw pa rin tanggapin yung floater ng Jack Policarpio with your team of Japo Sublimation. Jeric Dagot while open for 3, not good. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Bibigay kay JB, stolen by Jeric Dagot. Sisimplihan at sisiguraduhin na. Good for 2 points. Jeric Dagot, the MVP of Palawan. 8 minutes and 15. JB Erpayuan. Good for 2 points by JB. Frank De La Cruz while open for 3, not good for Frank. Justin Magbanwa, kuha nitong team ng Axors. Justin, fast break again. Number 23, El Banana, Eric Magbanwa. 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. Jack Policarpio, number 14. Bibigay kay EJ Rodriguez. Yung kanina pang kumakapa sa ilalim itong EJ. But number 13, basketball count against JP Descalso at Micah Uban Pampaul. 68-78. Only 7 minutes to go. Number 10, JB Erpayuan, sasayaw. Sending for Mark Sinesa. Good for 2 points, Mark Sinesa. What a pass by JB Erpayuan. Ang angas ng Tondo. Isang maangas na pasa mula sa lalawigan ng Iloilo from the city of Love. But Justin Magbanwa, 3 points. Sending for EJ Rodriguez, number 73. Bounce pass, number 45. Ang hari ng Panalay, Mark Sinesa, kinain yung Hazel Gadi. Mark Sinesa, mga kaibigan, dahil wala nga po yung center ng team ng Axors, yung Ambuloto. We have only 8 minutes and 43. El Banana, Eric Magbanwa for 3 points. We have only 3 minutes to go. Number 1, Justin Magbanwa sending for Ambuloto. Kuha nitong JP Descalso. Number 13, JP Descalso. Pass break is stolen by Kenneth Tiner. Number 20 with your team of Axors. Kenneth Tiner sending for El Banana. Eric Magbanwa, the signature move. Mark Sinesa, number 45. 1 minute and 20. 81-94, 13-point lead. JP Descalso while open for 3. Good for 3 points. JP Descalso. Only 10 seconds on the shot clock. Last 58 seconds. Jeric Dagot makakawala. Floater by Jeric. Put back by Ambuloto. Tapik. Good for 2 points. Ambuloto. Not good for Frank De La Cruz. Last 23 seconds. Justin Magbanwa, number 1. Good for 2 points by Justin. Game 1 ng ating best of 3 championship game between Japo laban sa team ng Axors. Last 8. 5 seconds. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end. Last in the final quarter of the game ng ating game 1. Our official score, 84-96. Congratulations! Nanalo sa ating game 1 ng ating 11 Mayor's Cup Basketball Tournament 2024. Team of Axors Matis. Congratulations!